Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel and like the video. The Ne555 circuit below uses two 555 ICs to create the distinctive Whopper siren sound effect, and that can cause many heads turn. If you actually wish to draw attention of people, you can use an amplifier to boost the sound effect. U1 is hooked up as a low-frequency asymmetrical oscillator. Q1 inverts the output signal and supplies it to the reset terminal of U2 at pin 4. The U2 is wired as an audio oscillator and starts operating as soon as the output goes low. Since the U2's pin 5 creates a constant potential, the circuit might only create a bleeping sound. The voltage over capacitor C is applied to the transistor Q2 base, switching it on, which grounds the pin 5 of U2. Once the pin 4 resets, signal frequency on this pin drops and causes the U2 output frequency to increase. The U2 then starts sounding like the whoop, which begins with low frequency tone and gradually ends with a high piercing tone. We can amplify the signal using a power transistor. I use tip 122 because of its Darlington structure. If instead of R2 a VR is used, it gives you the capability of regulating the PWM. In this circuit, I used a 100K potentiometer. You can download the diagram under the video. As you can see, I have assembled the circuit. On the output, we have the tip 122 placed between C4 and the speaker. To decrease the current on the transistor's base pin, I used a 10R resistant. Now, let's test it together. I am using 9 volts as the input, and it can go up to 15. It depends on the speaker. You can change the output by regulating the little screw on the potentiometer.